everyone. Today, on behalf of Canterbury School, I am here to share my views on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his contribution toward the unification of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a crucial role in merging the princely state into the Indian Union, ensuring the unity and integrity of the nation. This day serves as a reminder of the importance of national integration, promoting unity among diversity. Various programs are organized by the Government of India to mark the occasion, such as Run for Unity, Pledge, etc. The main objective of organizing a variety of programs on this day is to promote national integration among citizens of India as well as maintain the unity and integrity of the country. Thank you.